Hi guys, happy Thursday. I hope you guys are having a great morning so far. I miss you guys already and I can't wait to see you next week. Okay, so our lesson for today, we've been working on strip diagrams a lot, okay, for the past couple of weeks. So I wanted to talk to you guys about how we look at a strip diagram. And when we draw one or when we look at one, we've always been putting the total at the top. Remember, we have our parts at the bottom and our total at the top. Okay, this is how we've always seen it before. But did you know I can turn it all the way upside down and we still read it the same way? Okay, now our parts are at the top and now the total is at the bottom, but it's still read the same way. Okay, when we have both of our parts, we're still adding to get our total. When we're missing a part, then we subtract to get the part that we don't have. Okay, so what I really want you guys to understand is that we're still reading it the same way. It's just flipped upside down. Okay, so we're going to do a couple of examples. All right, let's practice. Brandon bought 239 pieces of popcorn, Chris bought 317 pieces, and Jimmy bought 325 pieces. How many pieces of popcorn did they buy in all? All right, so if you're looking at your question, look for your keywords, figure out what type of operation we're doing. I've talked to you guys about the words in all. We know that when we say the words in all, we are combining or we are adding, okay? The strip diagram is upside down, all right? P stands for popcorn. We're looking for the amount of popcorn, okay? So as you can see here, P is a question mark. We don't know it. That's what we need to figure out. Okay, so in your journal, I want you guys to write 239. Remember to line it up by place value. 239, 317, 325. Okay, we got to practice adding three digits or three numbers together, excuse me. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is add my ones place. 9 plus 7 plus 5. 9 plus 7 plus 5. You can add them in any order you want. I'm going to start with my 9 and add my 5. Okay, 9 plus 5 is 14. All right, so 9 plus 5 is 14, and then 14 plus 7, I'll give you a second to think about it. 14 plus 7 is 21. So in the number 21, the 1 is in my ones place, and I'm going to regroup my 2. Okay. Now I have 4 numbers to add. 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2. Okay. For me, I'm going to start with my doubles. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay. 4 plus 1 is 5. And then 5 plus 3 is 8. I don't have any regrouping there. And then the hundreds place. 2 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So the amount of popcorn that they bought in all was 881 pieces. Okay, 881 pieces. All right, let's do another one. Sam purchased 406 pieces of popcorn. His sister ate 174 pieces of popcorn. His dad ate the rest. How many pieces of popcorn did Sam's dad eat? All right, so here we're missing a part. 406 is the total amount of popcorn. 174 represents the number of pieces his sister ate. I'm going to put an S for sister. We don't know how much his dad ate. That's my missing part. Okay, when I'm missing a part, I subtract. So here we go. I'm going to start with my larger number. I'm going to start with my total. That goes at the beginning. 406 minus 174. Okay, let's start with our ones place. 6 minus 4 is 2. 0 minus 7, can I have 0 and take 7 away? No, so I need to go next door and borrow. My 4 becomes a 3. I'm giving that 10 to the 0, so my 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So his dad ate 232 pieces of popcorn, okay? So remember, when I add these two numbers together, 174 232, I should get 406. Okay, that's a really important and good way to check your answers, okay? All right. Let's practice adding 3-digit numbers together. In your journal, I want you guys to write this down. And we're going to add 354 plus 98 plus 17. All right. All right, I'm going to add 8 plus 7 together because I can easily tell that that equals 15. 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay, then I'm going to add the 4. 15 plus 4 is 19. So I'm going to write my 9 because 9 is in the ones place and regroup my 1. Okay. I want to add the 9 and the 1 together first. It can be either one of the ones, but I'm going to add 9 plus 1. That's easy. That's 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. So I'm regrouping again. I'm going to write my 6 and regroup my 1. And then 1 plus 3 is 4. 469. Okay, let's do one more. I want you to write these numbers down, pause the video, and figure out your answer, and then we'll come back and check it together. So go ahead and pause it. We're adding these numbers together. Pause it, solve it, and come back and see if you got the right answer. Okay, 195, 256, and 81. We're adding all of those together. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. Write my 2, regroup my 1. Okay. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. Carry my 2. 2 plus 1 plus 2. Well, I know that 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 532. All right, guys. You guys can go ahead and complete your assignment on Schoology. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.